And Mr. Matlala, I repeat, and this was the purpose of the adjournment, I repeat that I will not accept blanket references to your 204 statement, because the 204 statement is not in and of itself a specified or specific crime, a specific crime for purposes of the judgment that I have referred to, and which is authority on how and under what circumstances you can assert the privilege. So do not again blanketly refer us to your 204 statement. Tell us the crime and then claim your privilege. So for now, let's just proceed with your questions on the basis that I will hear nothing of this blanket reliance on the Section 204 statement. And if you insist that we should have sight of that statement or affidavit, I will insist on being furnished with written submissions by both sides on that issue, Mr. Sello.
I accept that, Chair, if I may, with your leave extended. Much as you say, Mr. Matlala, in refusing to answer a specific question posed to him, must specify the offense, which is what section, paragraph 109 of the Zuma judgment tells us. Equally so, the point I sought to make and the purpose for which we played that clip is that very document is null and void in the very criminal trial that he is currently facing. So he can't invoke it for purposes of for fear that it will prejudice him in those proceedings. So he can't raise that as well.
Yeah. I hear you.
Thank you, Chair.
I think that's a valid point. Yeah,
thank you.
I hear you. Thank you.
So then, Mr. Matlala,
I hope because when we took the break, Ms. Missy, that was the point on which I was engaging you. That is, I will have none of this thing, of this blanket reliance on the Section 204 statement. That's when you and your junior engaged each other, and when I said, let's rather take an adjournment rather than watch you engaging with each other. So I hope you did engage Mr. Matlala on the point, which is the point I raised with you specifically, and that Mr. Matlala now understands that he cannot in a blanket fashion just say, because this was in my statement. But in any event, Ms. Sello makes a valid point, which is that the fact that it's in that statement can't be used against him in the criminal proceedings anyway.